Alrighty, so this is just a quick video on how to go into our app version of our software. So what you're going to want to do is come into the email that we sent you. All you have to do is click this link, download the app via the Apple Store. If you have an Android or a Samsung, it won't work, so just text us and we'll send you that link. Log in using these details, and then it should bring you to a page that looks like this. So you'll actually be on this home page right here. Down here you can see this is the conversation tab. So if you want to look at any conversations we're having with potential clients, you can look in there. Right here is contacts. So what you're going to want to do, this is the only job that you have when working with us, is come in here, click this little calendar icon, and you'll be prompted with a page that looks like this. This here is all recent activity, so you'll be able to see any appointments we've booked. What you need to do is click this little plus symbol, and then that little plus symbol will come up with this screen. All you have to do is click blocked calendar. Once you've done that, you should be prompted with a screen that looks like this one. And just make sure free quote is selected. And right here, just make sure you write something like Ryan booked appointment so that we know. You can leave that blank if you like. But right here is an important part. What you're going to want to do is click the start time. Once you do that, it should come up with a page that looks like this. Click whatever date the appointment that you're trying to book is, then click OK, and it should bring you to a page that looks like this where you can adjust the time. So if it starts at 1, you can click 1, etc., and then click OK, and then it should bring you back down to this page. Just make sure the time and the end time is right, and then click Save. And that's all you need to do. So what that'll do is it'll put a block in the calendar. So any clients that click on our calendar and try to book, they won't be able to book in that time because you've put in that block, which is when you're at a job completing work. So yeah, just make sure you do that. Thank you very much.